Alrighty, guys, here we go. You guys picked your 5 cases for the group break. So these are 2 personals for Alan. I think this one was packaged upside down, just by the look of the outer case. Maybe not. We'll see. Alright. Good old... I forgot I should just uncase these downstairs. They have inner cases. Gotcha. Now I'm going to have, like, stacks and stacks of boxes. Sorry. Sorry, boys. Alright, here we go. Treasury box 1. Whoa, if the other one felt heavy. This one has a helmet. And the other one felt heavy. Okay. I'm just gonna put it down here and start pulling stuff out. We got all kinds of bubble wrap. We'll save your helmet, why not? Well, oh, the irony. Alright, first up, you're going to have some people drooling on this one. A Ray Bork autographed jersey. Wait, that's not... What's it with that? He wasn't 77, was he? Maybe he was, and I'm just drunk. Yeah, I need to be able to... I think, yeah, I'm zoomed out already on that. Ray Bork. JSA jersey. Yeah. Okay. Next, who's this? Oh man, how about some Big Hurt? Frank Thomas. Ooh, inscribed. 93-94 AL MVP. Frank Thomas. Yeah, for some reason 77 was not what I thought for Bork. Look at this. Uh-oh. This is a hockey lover's dream. Look at this. Connor McDavid. Autograph 8x10. Hello. Hello. Okay. And, well, you're going to love this one, Alan. 16x20 Troy Aikman. This is you, Alan. 2 personals for you. This is all you. And another sick one here. We got a college helmet. College helmet. Mr. Cameron Newton. PSA DNA. Oh, it says certified rookie graph. Huh. I've never seen that before. Whoa, inscribed. 10 Heisman. And it's a PSA DNA certified rookie autograph. Huh. I don't think I've ever seen that type of PSA COA. Did I use this new one? We've got a bar here in town that's what they do. They've got all their advertising goes to the ceiling. Alright, there's box 1. Let me rearrange. And this is case number 6. I think this one was heavy compared to the other one, and the other one had a freaking helmet in it. We'll see what happens. I just had them both stacked up, but it felt like the weight was on the bottom. I could be wrong. Could be a week. Yeah, Ray Bork jerseys. You had a Bork jersey, a McDavid 8x10, a Frank Thomas inscribed baseball, a Cam Newton helmet, and a Troy Aikman 16x20. Gosh darn. They double case these, and they are really close to the same size. So sometimes they don't like coming out. Alright. Okay, here we go. Oh, mercy. Case number 2. Case, number 2. Super heavy. What in the, oh my gosh. There's a killer thing in here. I mean, I think you're gonna like it. Unfortunately, it's not a Cowboys thing, but hey. You appreciate memorabilia, so. Okay, this is a crazy box. Let's start right here. Is this the same person that we pulled already? Yep. Ann Meyer Drysdale. Well, I can leave that in there. Ann Meyer Drysdale autographed basketball. Okay. Oh boy. What in the heck? Maybe there is a... What in the heck? Okay. Okay. Holy cow, what a box. I don't know what else is in... I think there's a soccer ball in here. I think that's what that is. All kinds of goodies, and I haven't even touched the big item yet. Yep, that's a U.S. soccer ball. Are you kidding me? I think... Are you serious? This box is nuts. Okay, first off, that's Kristen Press. A Kristen Press autographed USA soccer ball. I think this is gonna be she's the one who's in the ESPN, what do they call that thing? The body issue. That's Kristen Press. I think that's who's in that. I just was reading an article today about the athletes that were a part of that. So that's pretty cool. Autographed USA soccer, women's soccer. Hey, Alan. How about an Emmitt Smith autographed jersey? This is crazy. This box, for real. Emmitt Smith autographed jersey. Let's put that over here with the other jersey. How about a Todd Gurley autographed, what, South Carolina? Right? Wasn't he out of South Carolina? Oh no, just wait. Just wait. Here, I'm going to move some stuff for this last one. I got to move some stuff. Alright. We've got a helmet. I'm going to try not to spoil it. Well, I'm going to try not to spoil it, but dang, they're making it difficult. Okay. Georgia, thank you. Gurley was a bulldog. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get into this thing. They sealed the heck out of it. There we go. The 1972 Dolphins. It's got the decoy's coming up a little bit. Oh, I guess it pushes back down. That's different. Maybe honestly, it could have been from heat. If it was sitting on the truck today, so it went right back down when I pushed it. So if you get it, Alan, and the decoy's up a little bit, I would just run your finger around it and have it set again. But oh yeah, oh yeah. Super Bowl 7 MVP. Yeah, 72 Dolphins autograph. No, no, I'm not touching any of the autos. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 20 of them on there. 20 of them. I'm not sure who to look for. I know Bob. Who else? Zonka? Zonka? Oh, man. Some of these are really hard to make out. I don't see Bob on here. I could be wrong. Like, there's a couple up here you can't even hardly read. I don't see Greasy on there. Certification is... Oh, it's a Leaf cert. Leaf cert. Honestly, they'd probably be able to tell you exactly, obviously, who's on it. But it's a Leaf certification. Larry Little's on here. I saw that. I remember seeing Little. I think that was on this side. Well, I thought he was. No, I know I saw him. Where you at, buddy? Who's the Super Bowl MVP? He's on there. I swore I saw Larry. Maybe I didn't. Malt Moore. I can read that one. I think it says Malt. Anyway. I'm not familiar enough to be able to like list out a lot of them.